Oh, we're gonna try this. Used to think you was the shit, bossed up, pockets fat. But wait a minute, I only saw a week of that. Yeah, I'ma call you out, Keith Cow. Oops, I'm sorry. What's your name now? Mac V, Apollo, Lucky. You fucking all these hoes raw. What is it now? Easy E? Playback. Rewind for a second. Cause in the beginning, I thought you was my heaven. But you was just clever, manipulator. Forced us together, forced me to do whatever. But now you got Alyssa. Poor whore. Alyssa got it worse than me and Trina did, that's for sure. And what's worse, she throwing shade. It's like you selling lemons, but you got the bitches making lemonade. Begging, pleading, beating. The one you wiped up. And now you mad I left you for a white man. A white man to put it on me better than you can. Woo! I bet that hurt. Lil boy, you ain't shit, you ain't a man. Lil dick, 5'6", hitting women when you can. And me and him, we good, we on some legit shit. And you been so far gone, you still ain't shit. Living in hotels, doing everything you touch. And you turn every woman that loves you into a slut. My baby took that label up off of me. I'm free. I want you to know I used to watch you while you sleep, thinking of ways I could cut you and hurt you deep. But I just left with nothing but the clothes on my back. And I took your phone, I'll admit to that, but it was just to call the cab. And I want you to know I don't think of you ever. In case you missed it, I'll send you a copy of this with a divorce letter.